I'm here in Lalbagh, and the public had brought to our notice that there's a board that is put here where feeding of dogs, pigeons and other birds is prohibited. As per the Supreme Court orders and also the various other High Court orders and Animal Welfare Board of India guidelines, okay, there cannot be any sort of ban on feeding birds and animals, because they need to be protected. Even the Constitution also tells that it is the duty of every citizen of India to feed the birds and stray birds and animals. And here in Lalbagh, the board is put up here where it is prohibited that they have mentioned, and we'll be holding talks with the horticulture department to ensure that this board is lifted, and also any sort of ban that is there, that is lifted, because it is against the Constitution and the court orders. And one more thing is that all the citizens have the rights to feed the birds and animals. Nobody, no institution, organization or any person can impose any sort of ban or tell that you should not feed the animals. Okay, stringent action can be taken against such people, okay, for violating the Supreme Court orders and the AWA guidelines also. So we are positive that the horticulture department will hear to the plea of the animal lovers and also respect the Supreme Court and the AWA guidelines and remove the ban, because there should not be any ban, because dogs, where they can go, we humans, okay, we go and eat, and we also come in the park here and eat, but dogs are native here, okay, they will starve to death, because making an animal to starve to death also is a cruelty as per PCA Act 1960 section 11. So we are positive that all these sorts of bans is removed, and we will ensure that it is removed, and we will hold the talks with the concerned authorities. It is Arun here, Bangalore Central MP candidate and Bangalore South District BSP Vice President, and also I am an animal lover too. Thank you.